Hello guys, and this is Ron, and I have an extended deck. So this is trying to, I think this is the next rendering. I can't, yeah, I can't try everything, because I can't all the top tank, but anyway, I don't use it so that kind so much, but because they act like Eric Blank the address. But it comes against that kind. It's what I can do, what I it feels like parents so I've got the phone at that time. So I'm going to side and got the ink. So now okay, thanks. I like that that's cool. That's cool. Thanks. Let me right. So bring that down, that's going to sync. So go. Try and get your right. Can't. So, what's agents like probably since I got like exactly. I got good stay $5 for it's so cool because I got actually get like agents I can go and stay and like fight I have to pay $5 to design. So it was like I was like getting wrong for I was like getting wrong. The tough thing, I think. Probably lost the time because I was like staying like both gate to the like snake the choice. The tactics, but probably was going to take that I was good train. And I don't know, we're going to get again, so I know that I guess I think that the clients okay. So that means I just that clients. Hold on, I can start posting to start cleaning. Oh my gosh, I'm back. Okay. And also post clients stream please. Okay, not that right. The first reason, but anyway, let's try to get into this. I can't sing, because I can't dance, but I can get it, sing, and sing, and that, say that, got backlinks, and got your box, and take that, and take it in. So now I'm trying to get things. Everything that so good. So I got that. I got the great. It goes like going persons. Yeah. That's like kind of. Well, let's make that private. Yeah. So I'm probably got all this. Let's see. Okay. And that's the next thing rock paints thing. Because of cakes, we don't have brain cakes rates. Because it's because of Prox 2. Yeah, I think. I guess wrong for that train. those links. Check string. And the next string, our next string, does evolve. Tank. Again. So I guess we have to I think this is that thing to what the so I guess I had to point. It seems like I'm saying it's not like let's see. Okay. Exactly. Good cut. Alright. That should be good. Alright. So it's broken. That means like okay, so this is a concept. You can see. Like things. Yes, I'm controlling the Dragon's Eyes Dixon 5. That's like kind of Dixon 3. But anyway, since it's in cut, we can now zip kinks. And yes. Damn, it looks so exciting. It feels exciting. So stick down. You see what I got. So I got screen. Got green. I can check tanks. So it's still green. A whole green. Green. I guess green. So green. I want to call that. I think tank. Green. Good tank. The left tank. Green. Actually, green. Like greens. Green. This is right. That playing outside. And this on top. So this is green. Green, headphones. This is green, extra kind, get strange. This is a speaker. Alright. Back. Alright. This is our back. 12 gonna go. Some stuff string. I got green. Back. Things. I got a drink in the frame. Because you can think cool right. And I think probably some things up. Doesn't have things, so can't bring this up. And that's fine because it's like thing that I really don't so. This is like a private cough. I think that's kind of it. I guess I can't think I'm doing the guys. I think that's I think. That's cool. I can't get it. I can't. So, and yeah. Thanks. So I can put focus on and thanks. Just I like the trunks that Seems interesting. Alright guys, that's it. So if you're wondering, I'm going to show you try comment and subscribe and hit that bell so that I don't miss out. And yeah, so please don't try and create games or things like you're doing, like should help. And I don't like next step around. So I don't like drink string. I don't like anything like like no, not really. Fridays to Sundays, starting at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you should play like extra for the train. And I started doing TikTok, so probably. So, alright guys. Okay, thanks.